boutique. I had already started Deeper Faith shirts, which had the angel wings and the cross in the middle, and then the angel wings sparked out from it. I had jewelry on there, different things, and when I release more of these videos here in the upcoming future, you'll see some of the items. I still have a lot of items, you all, that I had purchased during that time that I'm just now getting back to post them to sell. So I was looking for eyelashes though to start selling on my site. About 2 years ago, I really had settled down and said, you know what, it's something I've always wanted to do. I'm buying these other people's products. I know that I have what it takes to sell my own. So I began searching for different lashes that I could sell and promote through my own company. Now, there's one thing that I first of all want to relay is, and you don't have to do it in this order, I didn't. I actually had started sampling eyelashes about 2 years ago before I actually had came on the scene with eyelashes and hair, because I wanted to find the quality that I wanted. And everybody has their own sense of what they want to sell, what look they're looking for. I was looking for luxurious luxury products to sell due to in the past having a bad eye condition that God, He healed it. God healed it. He healed it. I had an eye miracle. He healed it. Excuse me. And I wanted something with quality to place on my eye because I knew that I couldn't go with like just any and everything. So I was on a search to look for something of high quality that would be luxurious, that I could sell as a luxury eyelash product in my inventory, and I wouldn't have to worry about something inexpensive being on my eye that may contribute to future eye problems. And God blessed me to do that. So what I'm saying is, you don't necessarily have, to go that route of finding your eyelash first. It just how it worked out for me. But I want you to be thinking of, you're sure you want to do it, and even if you're not sure, because like I say, some of the other young ladies, they started out thinking that they were going to sell hair, and it just opened up different avenues for their destiny. A business, oh my gosh, I haven't used this in a while, but it's not even working. But we're going to fix this. I've had these, y'all, and they've traveled with me in ministry because I used my board and I did not get a color that was right. So in that aspect, without having to get up, and also I keep a journal. I keep a journal of productivity ideas, and here's a great thing for you all to have now that I'm having to pick it up. I had something in there I didn't want y'all to see. I had a few pictures that somebody had printed out for me of me, and I was like, oh my gosh, nothing bad, but still I don't want to share them. I'm very intimate and private with certain things. But I want you all to think of a business name, okay? Brainstorm on a business name. And I just put biz name. If y'all can see it, you see it a little bit to the side. Biz name, okay? And I do apologize, you all. Those are new markers, but like I said, they do travel with me with Prayer Dynasty when I'm out on the road. So I'm sure that they were in the sunlight a lot. Y'all see my rose pen? I love it. I have another one that you've probably seen me use. It's so beautiful. I got it at the dollar store, you all. It's so gorgeous. I love it. Yes, yes, yes. I told y'all I'm frugal Angela. I know how to count those coins. I know how to count those coins. A business name. And I want to share with you all as I go to the end of this video how I came up with the name She Brown Sugar. When I was a little girl, growing up in the country, and also, well, in the country, let me just space it out, up underneath my great-grandmother and my great-grandfather and my grandmother, I would go to what we call the city part, or to town. We would say to town. That's where my other grandmother stayed. Well, as a little girl, I always used to wonder, like, wow, why do they keep saying brown sugar, and give me some of that brown sugar? That's what all of them would say when they would see me. They'd be like, oh, we've been looking for you. We've been waiting for her. That's our little grandchild with the brown sugar, and they would introduce me all the time at churches. That's our granddaughter. She got the sweetest sugar. We call her brown sugar. And so when I would go up to town, my other grandma would always say that, and she'd say, "Oh, here comes this brown sugar. Give me some of that good old brown sugar." And I had to go, and I could never do it because they'd be like, "No, that's not how you do it." So I would always have to go, when I would kiss them on the cheek. So when coming up with a company name, that came to mind, and I pondered on. No, I did not ponder on it. When it came to my mind, I said, "That's the name." And so that's why y'all see me go like that all the time, because it's a tribute and a memory that I have as a child from when I was up underneath my great-grandfather, my great-grandmother, my grandmother on one side of my family, and my grandmother on the other side of the family. So that's where I get the name She Brown Sugar from, okay? And it just so happened by default that it turned out to be the Angela K. Cameron collection, She Brown Sugar Hair and Lashes, okay? And it's luxury hair at its finest, luxurious luxury hair and luxurious lashes. And I say inspirational, when I do say inspirational, it's because it's inspirational. I want to inspire men and women to dream. I want to always be an encouragement. When you hear the Angela K. Cameron collection, She Brown Sugar Hair or Lashes, I want y'all to immediately say, "Oh, that's inspirational. She inspirational. That's an inspirational brand." So that's how it all connects together, you all. But I want you all to be brainstorming over a business name, okay, for your eyelashes. If you're looking to do other things, you're still going to need a business name to identify your products, okay? And I'm going to try my best to get 2 more videos up for you all. I was getting ready to go walking. The sun, though, I'm trying my best not to get overly dark. I don't mind tanning. I told y'all I'm a brown skinned girl who tans, and I keep saying it because you just, I wanted to say you just don't know the struggle. I don't mind getting dark, but I can get so dark to the point where it's just like, oh my gosh, Angela, is that you? So I try my best to stay, just kind of let it mellow into the caramelization, I say. So I didn't want to lather down because I have to put a whole bunch of sunblock on. Get out there. I said I was going to do a lot of work from bed today and watch some movies as I work. So I didn't want to get out there, have to shower and do all that to get back in my bed, okay? So I decided to go ahead and make y'all a video. So I may be in working from bed when I do the other ones today. I'm not sure. Depends on what I do in between time. Or I might just put on some lounging clothes to come out here and bust the other 2 out. We'll just have to see. I don't know. I'm playing it by ear. But I hope this helps you all. I really want to see you all earn you some income. Wow. Some of you just don't know what to do, and I feel your pain. I feel it. I feel it, and I want to help any way that I can. And that was the reason, and a lot of people reaching out to me because they're facing to the point where they're having to be creative and they're having to find new avenues for income stream. And that's okay. It's okay, you all. At least you're fighting to survive, and that's what you're going to have to do in this day, y'all. You're going to have to fight to survive, okay? So any way that I can release anything to help you all. If I had the money, I'd help all of y'all pay the bills. I would, because it's just a heart I have. Hopefully this will help you generate something that when and if we do pick back up, that you will have some great income stream, and you will never have to worry about being in this position or this predicament again. Okay, so good things can come out of this, right? So I just hope and pray that this sparks some kind of inspiration to get you all started. I've got more information to give you. If you don't want to go the route of starting your own, I do. If you go to my website, shebrownsugarhair.com, you can look on the beginning page, the intro page, the home page. There's a way that you can actually sell my products. I will supply you with the products to sell. Let me scroll up, scroll down, scroll up, scroll down. Let me scroll up. It's very, very easy. If you are success driven, I can possibly help you earn cash. Do you know at least 10 people who wear lashes, virgin hair bundles, or wigs? Are you driven to help accent natural beauty? Because that's what we want to do, y'all. We want to accent our natural beauty, okay? Not cover it up, but just give an accent to it, like adorning a Christmas tree. Do you have an outgoing personality for sales? To spark up awesome beauty products conversation, then welcome to the royal life. Let me help you. Success overall is left up to you because we individually monitor our own success. That's why I say there's no competition. The only competition you ever have is with yourself. Success overall is left up to you. I can place some prosperous tools in your hands, reach to steer you towards your set goals. Okay, and then I have some information down at the bottom of the page where you can contact me. And any way I can help, if you have any questions, if you have any concerns about what to start, if you don't want to go into eyelashes, you may want to go into something else. Maybe I can help you generate what it is, or help lead you to the decision. It's always left up to you, but maybe I can help you generate or spark some ideas. Reach out to me at SheBrownSugarHair@yahoo.com. SheBrownSugarHair@yahoo.com. I will definitely get back in touch with you. My email address is down at the bottom, so you can just tap onto the little pink link bar, and any questions you have, you're able to reach out to me, you all. I just want to help you all, okay? There's a young lady that I've been seeing. Now, y'all know I'm Prayer Dynasty. I am Prayer Dynasty. I am prayer, okay? So I can't keep her out of my company, all right? She shows up when she shows up. There's a young lady that I've been seeing for almost 2 months now. You're a single young woman. There's no furniture in your home. There's an air conditioner unit in the very back of, I want to say, an apartment. It may be a house or a home. I'm not sure, but I want to say an apartment. And I see a white sheet in your floor. You have 2 children. You have a young man, and you have a young daughter, a young son and a young daughter. And they're small. They almost look to be maybe a year and a half, maybe under a year connection and being apart. I see a white sheet. It's a white fitted sheet on your floor. It's not a straight sheet. The top sheet is a fitted sheet. And I see your children. I've been seeing your children in white t-shirts and diapers. That's why I say that they're connected in age. They're very, very close in age. I don't think one of them is a pull-up. I believe both of them are diapers. You need to get in contact with me. And I keep seeing you standing up with your children in the background, holding your phone, looking at me talking. I want to bless you, and you will know that I'm talking to you. And when I say I want to bless you, I'm willing to give you some products to sell to help you and your children in this time of need. God bless you all. Y'all have a great one.